huge advancements in communication, but challenges still remain. People who are hearing impaired face considerable challenges. They experience and navigate the world much differently than those with perfect hearing. Naturally, one of the great problems that hard of hearing individuals face lies in proper communication with others. Thus, we decided to build a communication relay service application that uses an AI model to do transcription and translation. This way, two individuals, regardless of their ability or inability to hear, can seamlessly communicate, whether they speak the same language or not, such as English or Spanish. Our application provides a unique experience for communication that is accessible for any and all hard of hearing individuals.
We have used a variety of powerful and efficient libraries that work together to provide a seamless experience for the user. First, we have a Django library for secure user login to ensure sent and received messages are correct and verified. We have multiple network connections in order to enable the user to connect with anyone and anywhere. We have also implemented methods of connections that utilize both telephone networks and servers, as well as secure IP connections. Additionally, we have OpenAI's Whisper API, a live ML translation of different languages, and it provides real-time translation that allows users to communicate with speed and precision. And finally, we have KiwiMD, which is a Python app library, and it helps wrap everything together with a simple, user-friendly Python library to create an interface. Now, the creativity here is a deaf and non-deaf person can call each other, and when the non-deaf person speaks, the Whisper API can transcribe the words spoken by the non-deaf person, and the deaf person can see what they said before responding.
Thus, we've created an application that is very simple to use and is still a very powerful tool. When a user is first opening up the app, we have a login screen before us where we can enter the user's details. For example, test, we have it as test, and password is also test. And we get into the login screen. Here in the login screen, we have a screen where all the recent calls have been recorded and are stored for further information. We are greeted with this screen in conjunction with the Django framework in order to display what's before you. In addition to this, we also have a variety of other features in our other navigation tabs. If we move to our dial screen, this is where we can enter our number and we can click call. In this place, we are entered with a chat history in which another phone displayed by my partner, Thomas, will be connected. As such, now we can also use the voice feature that we designed this product for in this manner by clicking listen and simply speaking what we need to speak. For example, I can say, I need assistance. And thus it captures it in this form. Overall, this is the key functionality in order to connect deaf and non-deaf. We also have an information tab where we have very important resources such as telecommunication relay services, as well as the profile details.
Because we offer a simple application that only requires you to connect, we also have focused a bit on how to remain sustainable for our application. We have found that many governments are looking for telecommunication relay services. This way, we can use their method of funding while still being able to provide a clean application interface without the need to completely monetize our product. Thus, we will find targeting multilingual countries will be a better method for our application. For our measure of success, we can use our current numbers of users as an indicator of success, and we can ask our users themselves what they find to be good and should be preserved, as well as what can be improved on. In conclusion, while many deaf people don't want hearing and consider deafness their own unique culture, the larger hearing will still view them with pity. The fact is, most deaf people or hearing impaired individuals don't want pity, but just want to be treated with respect. With our relay telecommunication AI service, we can provide them with that respect, which we find is the most important thing. Thank you for viewing our project.